It's that time again. What's for supper Wednesday? Now sit back and watch. Hope everyone enjoys and thank you for watching.
Hello folks, welcome back to What's for Supper Wednesday. Today what we're going to be fixing is banana pudding. This is actually Paula Dean's banana pudding. I didn't know it till I was looking back at the recipe. But what we're going to need is, we're going to need one 12-ounce package of Cool Whip. We got two 8 ounces. We'll just put a little bit more in. They didn't have no 12-ounce container. You'll need a 5-ounce box of vanilla pudding mix. We got one 3.4, and we'll do the rest with the other one back there. And one 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, 6 to 8 bananas, 2 packages of chessmen butter cookies, one 8-ounce block of cream cheese, and 2 cups of milk. Alrighty, let's get started. Alright, we're going to get our bananas chopped up here. I've already started on the first 2. Now you're going to need 6 to 8. We got a bunch of 7, so we'll do 7 of them. And I'm actually going to save the banana peels. Dad's going to have that for a later video for something in the garden. Okay. Alright, we got 5 chopped up here. I'm going to go ahead and put them in the bowl. They're starting to fall off the cutting board. Okay, I ain't going to bore you. I'm going to cut these last 2 bananas up and we'll move on to the next step. Alright, now we're going to mix up our vanilla pudding mix. It said French vanilla, but we're just going to use regular vanilla. That's what we had on hand. And then in a separate bowl, we'll combine our sweetened condensed milk and Cool Whip and cream cheese. Try and get all that out of there. Alright. Okay, now we're going to take our milk, 2 cups of milk. We're going to pour down in there. We're not going to use the KitchenAid today, just to save time and clean up. We're just going to use the regular handheld mixer here. Now, I mixed it up here in this bowl. We transferred it over. I'm going to put this right here for now. I'll set this off to the side here and get my cream cheese opened up and get my Cool Whip and all opened up. And we'll actually be combining that vanilla pudding mix together with the cream cheese, sweetened condensed milk, and whipped topping. Be right back. Alright, now we're just going to use both things of Cool Whip. Both 8-ounce containers. You need a 12-ounce container, but it ain't going to hurt for a little bit more Cool Whip. Okay, let me get the other one. Alright, we had to switch bowls again. I knew it wasn't going to hold all what we had before. Now we're going to put in our sweetened condensed milk. Get that raked out. Okay, I think that's about all we're going to get out of that container. Now, we're going to put in our cream cheese. Make sure whenever you do this that you get it out and you let it get softened up. Because I had to heat mine up just a little bit to get it softened. Just enough where we could get it to mix together. Now, we're just going to mix this all together here. We got that all mixed up. Now we're going to take our vanilla pudding. We'll combine that together. Okay, got that put in. Now we'll get that mixed up and we'll start layering our banana pudding. Now we got that mixed up here. Now we're just gonna line the bottom of the pan here with these chessmen cookies. Gonna do one whole package on the bottom, one whole package on the top. Now we'll just pour out our bananas. We'll get them all lined up here. Alright, now we're just gonna pour this on top here. Like I said, we'll put the other bag of cookies on top. Now we'll just line it up like we did on the bottom. 4 in a row on this side, and then 5 in a row up and down. Actually, we may do more. There ain't that many broken ones this time. Now we're going, I broke one right there, just putting it on there. We're going to be taking this over to Grandma's. It's Memorial Day today. So I don't know if we'll get a taste test over there or not. I want to try and leave this in the refrigerator as long as we can. At least 3 hours, that way it'll get all set up. Alrighty folks, we'll be back in a little bit. If we don't, we'll let you know at the end how it was whenever we get back home. See you soon. Alrighty folks, here it is plated up here. We done ate some at Grandma's yesterday, but we're going to do a taste test over here. Mom and Dad said it's already good, but go ahead and give it another try. Probably even better where it's more set up.
Good.
It's delicious, folks. I'm going to be taking this piece, Shug.
Oh.
Tell them about the setting up.
But yeah, it's better the next day, I believe. If you let it sit overnight, it's really good. Very good.
Good?
Delicious.
Alright. Well folks, hope you enjoyed. If you haven't already, please like the video, subscribe, share with your friends, comment. Y'all have a blessed day. Lord willing, be seeing you Friday.
Delicious.
Thank you.
Yes.
A lot better than the one I used to make to take to church.
Oh boy.
I've
never had yours.
I like it.
Delicious.
I'm trying to get in bayous, folks, here. Sorry about that.
Alrighty folks, see you Friday. Thank you for watching.
thank you for watching, and hope you have a blessed day. Stay safe and we will be seeing you soon.